how to find the logarithm or the power when the number and the base is given. So let's see one question. 32 to the base 4. So here we have the number and the base. Here 32 is the number and 4 is the base. So we have to find the logarithm. The power is not given, so we have to find the power. So the first step is to write this in the logarithmic form. So logarithmic form means logarithm of the number. Here the number is 32 to the base. Here the base is 4. So logarithm of 32 to the base 4 is equals to the logarithm. The power is not given here. We have to find it. So we can give the any variable. That is, here we can give x. So logarithm of 32 to the base 4 is equals to x. So the next step is to write in exponential form. So this one we have to write in exponential form. Exponential form is the format is number is equals to base raised to power. So here number is 32 is equals to base. Here base is 4 raised to power, which is x. Okay. Now the next step is to make the base same. So here 32 we cannot express in the terms of 4. So we can write the bases in terms of 2. So 32 when we prime factorize 1 6 2 8 1. So 32 we will get as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 raised to 5. So 32 we can write as 2 raised to 5. Then 4, when we express it in terms of 2, we will get it as 2 raised to 2. 2 square is equals to 4. So 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2 whole raised to x. So our next step is 2 raised to 5 is equals to, here we have to apply the exponent's power law. That is, a raised to m whole raised to n is equals to a raised to mn. We have to multiply the powers. So here 2 raised to 2 the whole square. So here also we have to apply this rule. That is, we have to multiply the power. So 2 into x is 2x. So here we got the bases same. That is 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 2x. As now the base is same, we can equate the powers. That is 5 is equals to 2x. So what will be the value of x? From here, if we transpose this 2 over here, it will be, this is into 2. So it will be divided by 2. So value of x is equals to 5 divided by 2 or 5 by 2. So let's see the next question. 0.125 to the base 2. So here 0.125 is the number and 2 is the base. So the first step we have to write in logarithmic form. So logarithmic form, logarithm of the number, that is 0.125 to the base 2 is equals to, here the value of power is not given. So we can give the variable x or any other variable. So now let's write this in exponential form. So first number 0.125 is equals to base raised to power. Here the base is 2. So 2 raised to the power x. So next what we have to do is we have to remove this decimal point. So when we remove the decimal point, we will get it as 125 by 1000. Here there are 3 places after the decimal point. So we will get as 125 by 1000 equals to 2 raised to x. Now let's simplify. Let's try simplifying 125 by 1000. So when we cancel it by 25, 25 into 5 is 125 and 25 into 40 is 1000. Then again we can cancel with 5. So 5 ones are 5, so 1, 5 8s are 40, so 8. Here we have as 1 by 8 is equals to 2x. Okay, so now we have to make the bases same. So here 1 by 8 we can express in terms of 2. So when we factorize 2, 4, 2, 1. So 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 cube. So 1 by 8 we can write as 1 by 2 cube, which is equals to 2 raised to x. So next we have to bring this 2 cube to the numerator. So when we write 2 cube in the numerator, it will be 2 raised to minus 3. The power will be negative. So 2 raised to minus 3 is equals to 2 raised to x. So here the bases are same. It is 2 raised to minus 3 and 2 raised to x. So now the next step we have to equate the powers. So here minus 3 is equals to x. So the value of x is minus 3. Let's see another question. Logarithm of 16 to the base 0.5. So here the number and the base is given. Here also we have to find the logarithm or the power. So here the question is already in logarithmic form. So in our first step we can convert it into exponential form. So in exponential form means number is equals to base raised to power. So here number is 16. 16 is equals to base, that is 0.5 raised to power. Here power value is not given. So we can simply give a variable x. The next step we have to remove this decimal point. For that 16 is equals to, here after decimal point there is one decimal place. So we can write 5 by 10 raised to x. 0.5 we can write as 5 by 10. Then we can simplify 5 by 10. So when we divide, we can cancel by 5. So we will get here 1 and here 2. So 16 is equals to 1 by 2 raised to x. The next step we have to make the bases same. So here the base is 16 and here it is 1 by 2. So let's write 16 in terms of 2. So 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 16 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 4. So we can write 16 as 2 raised to 4 is equals to 1 by 2 raised to x. So next we have to make the 2 to the numerator. That is 2 raised to 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Here the 2 we have to move to the numerator. So here it will be 2 raised to minus 1. 1 by 2. Here the 2 we have to move to the numerator. So here it will be 2 raised to minus 1. Whole raised to x. So 1 by 2, here the power is positive 1. If the power is not given means it is 1 itself. So here it is positive 1. So when we put 2 to the numerator, it will be, the power will be negative. So 2 raised to minus 1 whole raised to x. So 2 raised to 4 is equals to, here we can apply the power law of exponents. That is, we have to multiply minus 1 and x. So 2 raised to minus 1 into x is minus x. So now the bases are same. So we can equate the powers. So 4 is equals to minus x. So x is equals to minus x means minus 1 into x. So to find the value of x, we can transpose this minus 1 to the other side. So this into minus 1 will be 4 by minus 1. Or we can say minus 4. So the value of x here is minus 4. Let's see one more question. Logarithm of 0.01 to the base 10. So here the number is given and 10 is the base. So as the question is already in logarithmic form, we can write in first step we have to write in exponential form. So exponential form is number is equal to base raised to power. So here number is 0.01 is equal to, here base is 10. So 10 raised to x. Here power is not mentioned. So we can give the variable x. So next we have to remove this decimal point. So we will get the value as 1 by 100 is equals to 10 raised to x. Here there are 2 decimal place after the decimal point. So we got it as 1 by 100. There are 2 zeros. So next we have to make the bases same. So let's try expressing 1 by 100 in terms of 10. So 100 we can write as 10 square. So 1 by 10 square is equals to 10 raised to x. So when we, in the next step we have to take this 10 square to the numerator. So when we take it to the numerator, here the power is plus 2. So when we take it to the numerator, the power will be negative, minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 2 is equals to 10 raised to x. Here now the bases are same. So we can equate the powers. So x is equals to minus 2.